Hello.
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 Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
How are you, Kabir? How are you, Yana? Hi, Ritansh. Rihansh, huh? Is it Rihansh?
Yeah. Yes.
Some reason. Oh, I know what is the problem. I'm not able to hear you.
Priya. Miss Priya.
Oh, wait, guys. Sorry, guys. There was music playing on my laptop. Okay. Let's go ahead. When I put on the headphone, only I realized it. How are you all?
Good.
Rihan, did you do the homework? Was it easy for you?
Good.
I did the ones I could.
You did the ones that you could. Okay.
I couldn't
Was-
finish all the homework because I had a lot of school homework and I had like 3 projects due.
Oh, I see. Deepak, how about you, ma?
Oh, I did it. It was a little hard.
Was a little hard. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I help you with something?
Yeah.
Meaning, did you bring back the question numbers where you found it tough?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you with them. Definitely. Okay. Rihanj, don't worry. First, we will review the homework. Okay. Then only we'll get started. Okay.
Okay.
You can just watch for the first few minutes. You can just watch. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now the thing is, okay, I need to go over who all did it, who all didn't do it first. Then we'll see. Okay. Okay.
Wait, Miss
Oh
Priya,
my gosh. Okay. Yeah, Ma, you have a question, Viraj?
So apparently, like, I checked the Google Classroom because I was doing my homework, okay? And it said, like, there was an assignment posted on the 29th that it was due on the 27th. I don't know why it said that.
Okay, let's check, Ma. Let's check that.
It said, like, I was missing it.
Let me check, Ma. You are in which classroom? Are you in the right classroom?
Yeah, it also happened for me, too.
Oh, what does it say?
It says, like, it was due January 27th.
27th, okay.
And it was,
So it was posted.
29th.
You know what? Okay, you know what? Okay. Okay. That was not the right one, right? 2 Feb. See, set up problems in ratio rates and percentage, right? Do you see it, guys?
Yeah.
Did you all see that was the homework assigned, right? You know what? The other class is asking me, where is the homework? Where is the homework? You see, you know why I missed it. So can I delete that assignment, guys?
Yeah.
Can I delete that assignment, please? Okay, tell your parents to, yes, you are correct in the sense that was for the other class that I have assigned, which I incorrectly assigned to this class, I feel. Can I go ahead and delete it if you don't mind?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me show you what I'm deleting so you're all are aware of what I'm doing as well. Okay. See, guys, this was not an assignment. See, percentages review. I just posted it day before yesterday, right? So it is an incorrect assignment that was posted, right, Amma?
Yeah.
So can I go ahead and delete it? This should have been assigned in this class. And there are people who are asking and I have not assigned, which is wrong on my part as well. By mistake, I had assigned it in this classroom. Can I fix that quickly?
Yeah.
Okay. And I appreciate you letting me know.
And it said like you had messaged me like really concerning to see that you
Yeah,
had
I know. You know what? I graded that. I did not grade this. It was by mistake. I'll take it out. I'll take it out, guys. But I can't retrieve the emails though. So this is on more percentages for them. This is what we'll review today and then I'll move on. But were you able to do the other one?
Yeah.
Like the homework. Yeah. The one with like the 25 questions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one, yeah. I tried
Oh.
the other, like, the optional homework for the Tuesday class.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I tried that one. That was actually like, yeah, that was actually fun to do. That was fun.
Wait, is the optional one with the 40
So
questions?
guys, this is what I'm going to delete. Can I delete it? Or can I edit it so that you can do it for this week? That's what I meant. Actually, I did not even go over this with you also. I'll go over this today, then assign it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can you quickly let me in because my iPad barely has any battery and I'm joining to my computer.
Sure, ma. I admitted you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yana, is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I got it now.
Okay. Now let's go over this, guys. You had issues, right? Okay. Rihansh, this is what we covered last week and we will go over that, Rihansh. Okay. Okay. How about this? Which problem number, Deepak?
I didn't do this one.
Yeah, I also did a different one. It's like
I did one with like 40 questions.
all three types. Like
This one, this one.
I did the optional word problem.
Optional word problems. Okay. Okay. What questions you have, Deepak?
14
Mhm.
on question 14.
In this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it together. Question number 14. Let's do the question number 14 together. Who can explain this? Go ahead. The diagram below. Okay, wait a minute. The diagram below shows Cameron's budgeted income for the trip he is planning. Cameron budgeted 240 for meals. That means what, guys? He allocated 240 for meals means what? Meaning $240 was allocated for meals. However, the percentage value is given in the circle graph. You see, meals took up how much percentage? Meals took up
19.2.
Yep, and that was equal to 240. Now, what is the total budget for the trip? What do you think, Viraj, we should do? Can you tell me what we should do?
so what I did first was basically I crossed these out because like 240 is more than these two. Okay. And then
Wow, good. I really like that, Viraj. Very clever. Good job.
and then wait
Very clever. Go ahead. So how did you decide between it? See, this is a good way. Go ahead. You perform sanity checks. Go ahead.
I couldn't really figure out how to do the rest of it.
Amma,
But
see, Viraj.
yeah.
Think about it. This is 20%. What is 100% they are asking? Did it ring a bell? This is 20%. That means what it is? One part out of
8.
8. 20% is what, ma?
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
So what can be the answer here?
It could be because I feel like J would be too much because like
Good job. See,
'cause,
like that. Very
if
nice.
you do 240 times 5, it wouldn't be 4,000. It would be
Very nice. But the right way of doing it, let me show you. Deepak, can I show you the right way of doing it? Like
Yeah.
what we have been doing, right?
Yeah.
Rihan, you may not understand. Do you know percentage, Rihan? Rihansh, do you know percentage? Hey,
Yes.
Tanishka, did you do these?
Yes.
Good job on your map, Tanishka.
Thank you.
Devansh, did you do this one?
I think so.
So you tell me, what is the right way of doing it?
I forgot doing this problem. Because I didn't do it.
Okay, no problem. So this is $240. Who else wants to explain? Kabir, you wanted to explain, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So My way, my way was actually quite similar to Viraj's way. I did just basically I just crossed out the first two, then I just rounded the 19.2 to 20, and then did times 5, and just got like eight, like something close to H. So then I just selected H.
Yeah, but what is the proportion you'll make? X by 100 equal to P by W. In that, this is the proportion you'll make, right? For any percentage problem. So they have given the 19.2 percentage. So what is what here?
Basically, what we do is so the 19.2 would go above the 100 because it's 19.2%.
Good job. The percentage will go here. 19.2 divide by 100. Go ahead. Is
then
this a part of the whole?
This is the part because it's not the total. It's just the
Good
part
job.
of meals. Like
100% is always the whole. Whatever comes here is always the part of it, right?
Yeah.
So that is the part. So what are we trying to find? What is 100%? The whole is what we are trying to find. So how to solve this? From 100, we have to arrive at the W. How do we do it?
so 19.2.
19.2 divided by 19.2. Let's do that. Making it a 1 and then multiply by 240. So what operation did we do? Division by 19.2 multiply by 240. So 100 divide by 19.2 multiply by 240. Any questions, guys? What is the answer? You cannot use the calculator? Then we'll go ahead and do it. It's okay. So what is this, guys? Let's go ahead and do this one.
100 and then 240, but then just add 2 zeros to it.
Yeah, 24,000, right? By 19.2. So this will be 240,000 by 192. So basically this is, see, it starts with a 1. That itself gives you a clue. It starts with a 1. So you have 48 remaining, right? You get a 480. Here, 192 if you take away, you get what? 8 and then a 40, right? 48, it becomes 480, right? 192, when it will become 480? Maybe twice. 384. Good job. If you take away 384, then there is a 96. If you think about it, there's a 96. So we took 10 here. Now 960. That 960, how many 192s go in 960? Possibly it's a 5. So 192 times 5. 960. See? And then what do we do? Some mistake I feel. Hold on.
I think you're only supposed to have 1 0 at the end, and then you add it to your number.
But wait, let's do it correct. 100 became a W, right? So you need to 100. Here, what do we do? Did we do the 100? 100 you divided by 19.2 multiply by 240, correct?
Yeah.
So 224, 4 zeros I need to have for sure. Divide by 190. Oh, yeah. So basically this is the 0. I got it. This one is that 5. So 1, 2. This 0 will carry forward here. I will do it again, guys, if you want to, because you cannot use calculators, right? So I will do your way slowly. 240,000 divide by 192. You should be able to do this very patiently. 192 times 1 is 192. And then you have what? 192 to 200. 200 to 240 is 48. Bring down the 0. 192. How many 192s go in 480? Rihansh, would you be able to do this division?
Yes.
You can guide me what to do. Tell me. How many 192s go in 480?
Can I calculate on my
Yeah. Take your time. Sorry, I'll say that it's 2. Can you multiply and tell me the answer? Rehanshans, this is your first time. I really would like to understand.
Okay.
Don't mind pushing the chair here. Yeah, you see, all of you can try this division. 480. 192 times 2 is what? 192 times 2 is what?
192 times 2 is 384.
384. That's what I wrote in here. Okay, now 96. Bring down this 0.
Here,
Thanks, I really appreciate it. 960. Now, in that 960, how many 192s go in 960? It's a 5. So 960, 0, bring down the 0. How many 192 go in 0? 0. 192 times 0 is 0. Remainder is 0. So the answer is 1250. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, now,
I don't get
okay.
it.
You didn't get it? What is that you didn't get it?
I don't get a lot of it.
Wait,
Okay, you don't get a lot of it. Okay, Arihan, where are you not getting it? Tell me, Arihan.
Let me look at it.
Hmm.
I think I don't understand. I barely understand.
Okay, this one you understand, right?
No.
Arihan, did you do the homework? Other pieces of homework?
I did that homework. I couldn't solve it.
So 7:30. Okay, so you barely did. Okay. Harihan, do you remember the x by 100 equal to part by W?
Yes.
Okay. So see here okay, let me go over it again. See here, meals is given as 19.2%, that is $240. So I'm just drawing, this is 0%, 100%. Remember the bar method we were doing. So this was 19, this is 19, all percentages down, right? That was $240. We are wanting this. So what will you fill in this x by 100 equal to part by whole? Tell me, Arihan.
It's saying that X is 240. No. It's 19.2X.
Correct. That's what we were doing now, right? Were you listening? 19.2 by 100 will be equal to what? You tell me.
Wait, what was the question?
The question is to find out see, what is the total budget for the trip?
Oh, so it is. If it was 20%, then it would be easy. Since it's different, it's gonna be a bit harder for me. It's gonna be harder.
Doesn't matter. Let's do it. I know, Arihan. I know where are you coming from. It's okay. Let's go ahead and do. You're good with decimal division. Go ahead. What should you write here?
Part by something by 100 or something by something.
Yeah. So what will come here? You tell me. Do you think about it and tell me?
It may take me a lot of time.
No, right? The diagram is here. Viraj, I know that you know. I'm not going to ask you. Arihan, can you tell me this 240 is a part or a whole? That's all you need to decide.
It's a part.
Yeah, you got it, right? There will be only one unknown in your this setup, this proportion setup. There will be only one unknown. What is that unknown here? How will you find it? You have to find W. So from 100, you have to find out W. So for that, you need to see your numerator.
My strategy would be like 19.2 times 1 equals 240.
Correct. It's very difficult, right? So divide by 19.2 first. Let's divide by 19.2 so that that becomes 1 and then times 240. Am I making sense?
I don't get it.
See, 19.2 should go to 240. How will it go to 240? You divide by 19.2, making it 1. And then multiply that by 240. Make sense?
Yes.
So the same thing you have to do down. 100 divide by 19.2 times 240. 100 divide by 19.2 times 240. This is what we did.
I'm starting to get it.
You're starting to get it. Good job. Can I move on? But you know what, Arihan? Your way as well will work. If you look at the problem, go ahead.
How do you get 100 over 19.2 times 2? Yeah, like just now that. Yeah. How do you get 100 over there?
Seema, see, this is your unknown. From 100, you're going to go to a W, right? First, let's understand with known numbers. How did 19.2 become 240? Whatever you do on the numerator, you have to do on the denominator. So for the numerator, you divided by 19.2 and then multiplied with 240. Same thing you need to do for the denominator. 100 divide by 19.2 multiply by 240. Devansh, did it make sense?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, let's do another problem. Let's see. Let's do another problem. We are not fully in there in percentages. It's okay. Let's see. How about this? There are 90 dogs and 150 cats. Of these animals, 9 dogs and 27 cats receive medication.
Can I solve this?
I know. No, not on the board. Can you do it and show me? Meaning send the answer in chat. Rihansh, for you to understand Rihansh, you know how to chat with me? David, you're keeping so quiet. I really don't understand what's happening at your end. Go ahead, Rihansh.
I know how to get into chat.
Good. You can always communicate with me. But do you know percentages, Rihansh?
No, actually, I'm learning them right now.
Oh, good. Okay, let's try this one. So see, at your 6th grade level, I would really want you to use this. X by 100 equal to part by W. What is this X by 100 equal to part by W? We already learned all that in this class. In the sense, let's say two equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 equal to 50 percentage, right? Percent means divide by 100. So 1 by 2, this is equivalent fractions. That equivalent fraction, I am representing it like this. X percentage, X by 100 equal to part by whole fraction. Do you see? That's what is given here. In any percentage problem, you will be able to use this. Just plug in values and you will find your unknown. Try. Devansh, are you able to do this? I would like to get answers, guys, quick.
I can.
Please, quick. Because unless you're good with percentages, I cannot move on at all. Arihan, Kabir, Deepak, see, all of you are getting it now. How did you get it, Arihan, this time? You understood?
Yes.
Yes, I think you're just
Can I
afraid.
show it?
1 minute, wait, Amma. I'm waiting for Tanishka. Rihansh, I'll help you, Rihansh. David, I really want to get your answer. I want to see how you do.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I'm a bit confused on the question.
Okay.
Yeah.
What percentage means? Tanishka, did you do it by yourself, ma?
Yes.
Good. Okay, David, what is that you will set up here? In every problem, that is going to be different. The equivalent fraction is going to be different. Here, they're asking for what percentage. So what is your unknown? X or part or whole?
50.
Kabir, hold on, Kabir, please.
50.
How 50? No, are they given?
Percentage.
So which is unknown? What is the unknown here?
What?
What is the unknown value? X or part or whole? In this, what is the unknown value? What you know, what you don't know. There are 90 dogs, 150 cats. There is an animal shelter. There are 90 dogs. You have to read the problem again and again and again. Devansh, can you tell me? 150 cats. Right? In this, they are saying out of this, 9 dogs and 27 cats are receiving medication. We have to convert this to percentage. So which is whole, which is part, which is X? Devan, should you be able to help me?
Okay, I can try.
Go ahead.
Is the part 150?
Is the part?
150?
See, you have to consider as animals. They have given it separately. So what do we do?
You add them together.
Okay, so when we add them together, what is that?
We have 240 in total.
See, that is the whole or the part of the X.
Okay. So
when you add this together, you get 30.
Yeah, and so the part is 36.
Good. 36 is only a part of that, okay? And then 240 is the whole. And then what you need to find?
We have to find out the percentage of the
Correct.
different.
So how will you find it out? First, see the denominator. How 240 became 100?
You then you do division 240
And then
divided
multiply by?
multiply by 100.
Yes, because 240 divided by 240 becomes 1, and then you can multiply by 100 easily. Yes. Similarly, you have to do the same thing here. 36 divide by 240 times 100. So 360 by 24. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So it is 90 by 6, 3 2s are 630, so it's 15. You guys get it?
I have a question.
Yes, ma.
So I did it a bit of a different way, but I thought you said you didn't want us to use these big percentages. So I simplified 36 and 240 to 3 and 3 by 20, and then I already know like 5.
100%. 100% I support only that. How to do that? You should always simplify right off. Okay, since people are not getting what comes where quickly, so I thought I'll tell you this. But what you say is absolutely right, Kabir. So go ahead and tell what you did. Let's do that. Meaning, I really want you guys to get percentages better. Then only I'll move on. That if it doesn't matter for me if I don't complete it before the exam. Go ahead.
So I did like, okay, so I
Mm-hmm.
did like a long process of simplification. So
Uh-huh.
I did 36 divided by 3 equals 12.
Okay,
And
36 by 240. Okay, you did. So this, how did you simplify?
so I did divided by 12 first.
Good. 3 by
And
20. So x
yeah,
by
and then
100 equal to 3 by 20. Very clever. So now it's very easy. Do you see? You have to go from 3 to x, right? X is your unknown. So 20 became 100 times 5. This is times 5. Good job. This is the best way. Make sense?
Yes.
David, okay, let's see. Okay, guys. Yeah, okay, go ahead and do this one. Lily, it's all the same. Same setting up that equivalent fraction is literally what we have worked on here. Deepak, I'm not getting answers from you. Rihansh, very good job. So proud of you. Lily's grandmother is making potato salad for a family reunion. She uses 3 potatoes for every 2 people who will attend the dinner. If she expects 24 people to attend the reunion, what proportion can be set up to determine the number of potatoes needed?
Is mine.
Viraj, is your answer correct? See, people, potato, potato.
I just realized my mistake.
No problem, I'll wait. Well, you do, guys, slowly do. I'm going to wait to see. Let me go ahead and close these. It's not necessary. Go ahead. Go ahead. I just want to close out everything, guys. Give me a minute. Otherwise, it's becoming really slow. Just a minute, guys. Bear with me. Go ahead.
Is it correct?
Yes, everybody got it. But I'm yet to get answers. Okay. Can I get it from Rihansh or you need help? Arihan did. Yeah, you got it.
I think the answer will be C because.
Good job. Very nice.
Okay.
We'll move on. Okay, how about this, guys? This is a good one. This is a good one, but it also involves some conversions. Let's see. 18. Quick, guys. Only when you get a grasp of what was given, then I'll move on. Judith uses a blueprint to build a house. So anybody, any other questions you struggled with in the homework? So you need to be able to build proportions. If you're given a percentage problem, you should be able to build proportions. Just a minute, guys. I'm not able to write. Go ahead. Judith is using a blueprint to build a house. The graph below represents the relationship between feet and inches for the scale used in the blueprint. So now you have to refer to the graph. First, understand the graph. What the graph says is what you need to write down. Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
Arihan. Okay, let's see. Yama. Devansh, Arihan, Tanishka. Good job. Tanishka, are you doing it by yourself or getting help? I just want to know.
I did it by myself.
Okay. Um, guys, good job. Devansh, you got it. Okay. Okay. Yana? Yana?
I'm so
David, how did you
sorry.
get that, David? Can you please? I know that you understand the concept, but you're switching things. Can I get you to do that?
Me?
Yeah, David. Meaning it's not that meaning, see, from your answers itself, I'll clearly understand what is the problem. You understood the problem very clearly.
Okay.
Okay. The problem is just that you're switching, you're not reading the what is given.
Okay.
Okay. For the others, I'm not going to make others wait now. David, I want you to redo the problem. I'll come back to you. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Let me share my notepad. See, you're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Go ahead. A video game store. David, I'm waiting for your answer on the other one. You have to finish that and come to this. The others are going to go ahead with this. Please always fill in that. You build a proportion. Any percentage problem will efficiently work with that equivalent fraction. That equivalent fraction, the ratios that you equate, right? That's called a proportion. You will get a ton of problems on proportions if you're writing an acceleration for 6th grade. We are spending a lot of time. It's okay. The game you wanted cost $32. What would the discount be? It's tricky to understand what you will replace with what. Rihanch, are you slowly getting a hang of it?
Yes, I think.
It's okay, ma. Send it to me in chat. That way I can communicate with you better. I keep messing on the other one. Okay. Kabir
Yeah.
and Arihan, did you both read the question? See, you clearly understood. You've given the other. That's the problem.
Oh my God. No,
I know. See, you reading the problem is so important than understanding the concept. Did you also realize, Arihan? I know.
Oh,
I
I
know.
thought
I
I
know.
was just trying to solve the regular price of being plus.
Yeah, you should always answer to what is asked, right? You guys understood very well that I understood. But not reading is a bigger problem.
No, I did the other way first, but then I looked at the beginning and it said 20% sale, so I thought 80% would be left. So I did I did the equation, so I did like and then 80% instead of
Correct, but they are asking for the discount.
the discount. Yeah, I get that now.
Tanishka Devansh, correct. I'm waiting for okay, they both understood. Viraj, Yana, this time I really want an answer from you. Good job, David. Go ahead with this question. Yana, do it on the board, ma. David, I want you to go ahead with this problem. Yana, do it on the board. Viraj, I am yet to get your answer, please. So I want to give you one more problem now.
How do you edit? It's not letting me edit on it.
On the screen,
Yeah, it's not letting
you
me
are connected from Chromebook?
Yeah.
Oh, then you can't. Then you can't, right?
Do I
Okay, tell
explain
me what did
I
you do? Yeah, what did you do? Tell me.
So what I did was for the 20% sale, I split it into half, which gave me 10. And then for the $32, I split it into half also, which gave me 16.
Ma, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Let me write for you. What did you do? Others, you don't have to wait on. You don't have to keep looking at me. You can do this problem. Yana, go ahead.
So for the 20% sale, I split it into half,
Viraj and Yana, listen.
divided by 2, which gave me 10. And then I did 32 divided by 2 also, which gave me 16.
32 divided by 2 is 16. So good job. You got 10% as $16. Okay, after that?
That was my answer.
That was not the answer. Why would that be the answer? Who asked you to calculate 10%? Nobody asked you to calculate 10%, right? Can you read the question for me?
Yes. A video game store has a 20% sale on all video games. If the game you wanted costs $32, what would the discount be?
So let's write down. Please, Yana, you are doing it without writing all this. That's the problem. Okay. See, honestly, Yana, if your way is much better than my way, I would encourage it. Yes, you're doing benchmark fractions, but benchmark fraction is great, but you're not able to understand the problem and put it in benchmark fraction. Then you have to follow my way. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, can we follow this way? What will you substitute where?
I would substitute x with 20.
20 by 100. Now, part by whole. David, I want your answer yet. At least for one of the two problems.
And then I would like divide it by 10.
Why divide by 10? Okay, you divide by 10, so this is 2 by 10. Okay, then it is 1 by 5. That is all fine. But what happened to the part and whole? What is part? What is whole?
The part would be 1 and the whole would be 5.
No, 1 by 5. This side, that is the percentage. What is the part and what is the whole? Then why did they give you the 32? You see, Anna?
Yeah.
What is the 32? You missed it, see? You're not reading at all. If the game you wanted cost 32, means what? It's part or whole?
It would be whole.
See, when you read, you'll know. So you have to find the part, right? What should you do? 5 became 32. So divide by 5 times 32, right? Right?
Yeah.
So what will you do?
Try
1 as well, divide by 5 times 32. What is it? 6.4. So $6.40 is the discount. Good job, Viraj. David, good job on the fourth one. Yes, all of you got it. I'm going to move on, guys. Okay, let's go to area. See, meaning honestly, I'll have to move as well. Complete for your test. I really am feeling at a loss. They're going very slow. See, because consider, Yama.
Wait, are you doing the area of a trapezoid like the thing we learned in
Correct. In the other class, yes. Kabir, it'll be a repeat for you, right?
Yeah.
I know, but it's okay. This is going to be a lot more in detail because we have more time. So you're all able to do problems with percentages. So I'm going to give you a review this week and see how difficult you feel. Deepak, are you getting a hang of it now?
Yeah.
A little better, right?
Yeah.
Please always remember x by 100 equal. If you have your own way, I appreciate it. Okay. If you understand the concept and go with your easy way. Okay. Use benchmark fraction. Always when you divide by 10, you get the 10%. You see, meaning if 100% is given, if you divide by 10, you get the 10. See, if you are doing it like that, it's great. I appreciate it. Okay. But you have to get the right answer. If you're not getting and if you're getting confused, use this way, proportional way. Because you need to know why I'm emphasizing this. 7th grade, again, you learn again and again this one. So you need to know this whatsoever. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's go to a little bit of geometry. Okay. We are going to cover area. We are going to cover areas. Let's say, you know what? I also taught volume to them. I want to cover all of it. Okay. Let's say a square.
No volume.
Yeah, it'll be
Area
quick.
is 1 times width.
Okay, let's see. This is 4, 4. So what will be the area of, I'll be quick with this. Okay. What will be the area? What will be the perimeter of this?
Do we send it?
6.
If you can send it, it would be great actually, because I'll know where each of you are. I'll go slow, but I'll speeden up and finish triangle and trapezoid today itself. Correct. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Feel free to, Rihansh, you also feel free to send Rihansh. I'll be able to know, right? Always don't keep quiet for any question. If you don't know, you say you don't know. That's okay. Good job, guys. Now let's go ahead with
I
this.
sent it in the chat.
Yeah, ma, I got it now. No problem. I got everybody's. Okay. How about this? What is the area and perimeter? It will not be this easy, guys, though. We will dive deep. What is area? What is the perimeter? Mm-hmm. Looks like none of you did the other homework. Huh? Is it so? What did I do? Hold on. So I'm going to assign this to you, though. But having said that, what I'm more worried was 6.7 looks like nobody did. Really?
Wait, what's the 6.7? You mean the one with like 25 questions and then what is like the 3 types of fractions? That one?
No. Set up problems in ratio rates and percentages.
Wait,
Yeah, see, many. Oh, I know what has happened, guys. Okay, I know what has happened. It's my bad only. See, by mistake, I have assigned this to you instead of the other class. Okay. Okay, no problem. That is only for this week. Don't worry about it, Kabir.
Can I use the restroom?
Yeah, ma'am. I'll give an overview, but we will be doing some more percentages as well. I really want you guys. See, the thing about 6th grade acceleration is 7th grade proportions will be asked for you. Okay, so it's a step up. Okay, those problems I'm going to give you and see how you feel. Okay, you're all good with the 6th grade level. Let's see. Good job. This one is easy for you, looks like. Yep. So let me move on. Because you guys know it from 3rd grade, right? Okay. Let's go ahead with this. This is a triangle. Okay. See, always think of a triangle like a half of a rectangle. Let's think about it like this. Okay. Now, what will be the area of this triangle?
What are the side ones?
B and H.
B and H divided by 2.
Yep. B times H divided by 2. Making sense?
No.
But you know what is not making sense, Deepak? Tell me.
How you got 2?
Because the square is B times H. Exactly divided by 2 is a triangle here.
Triangle is half of a square, so you would get half of the value of the triangle if you did divide it by 2. You would get that value.
Does that make sense, Deepak?
Oh, yeah. Because, okay.
Okay, good. Now, the problem is it's not that easy. Okay, here, did you observe that base and height are perpendicular to each other? If you want to find the area of a triangle, let's see this triangle. Okay, now This height is 6. Okay. This height is 4. Okay. Now, they've given this as 8. So now how will you find the area of this triangle? Kiana, you want to say something? Go ahead. Kabir, I'll come to
You
you.
have to multiply all three of them.
Not really. This does not change, right? So what do we do?
Wait,
Do
is
you
that
do
a
10
prism
times
or a
8?
triangle?
It's not a prism. There's no depth. Only when there is depth concept, then there is prism.
Do you add 6 and 4 and then multiply by 8?
Not really. Oh, yes. Yes, Rihansh, we have already done it. So I did not do today. Meaning all 3 types have been covered. I'll give you a link to Google Classroom at the end of the class. You'll get to know everything.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go ahead with this. So we learned all the 3 types. 3 types. There will be 3 types of percentage problem. All are done. We just reviewed it today. One is percentage of a number. The second one is let's say percentage of 4 percentage of 100, like that. Second one is 5 is what percentage of 10, like that. And then 5 is 50 percentage of what? So all 3 types have been covered. All 3 types were done using x by 100 equal to p by w. You got it, Rihansh?
Yes.
We just reviewed and there were application problems which kids did not understand, right? So that's what we did today. Go ahead. Now, this one is completely new. So here, guys, it's a little bit of a trouble, right? I told you, right, one big secret. You have to choose a base and a height that are perpendicular to each other. So which one will you choose here? The formula doesn't change. So which base and which height will you choose? Which one is given? That's what you can choose. Try, guys. Kabir, you want to say?
Yeah. So you would have to choose. Okay, so first of all, we have to figure out that our height is not slanted. It never will be slanted.
Correct.
So our 6 is this. So that means you have to choose the bottom as the base, and then we have to choose the red one like next to it, like as our like height.
Correct. Base and height should be perpendicular. Correct. Can I choose this as my height?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, that is your height.
But I don't have its base. Its corresponding base is this. I don't have it. I can't choose that.
Anyway, can you say what you said again?
If I choose this height, right?
Yeah.
What is its corresponding base? Perpendicular base. This is the perpendicular base, right?
Yeah.
So I can't use it because they've not given the value of the base.
Oh, okay. Then you would want to choose like the 6 one. This like this one with the 6 on it. The other.
Exactly. See here, if I consider this as your height, this base is given. So I can choose half times 8 times 6. Arihan, did you get it?
I don't really get it.
Arihan?
I get it now.
Okay. Where is that you? Who did not get it? Viraj, was that you?
Yeah, cause like I was in the restroom when you talked about B.
Amma, please, it's important to attend. Amma. See, the thing is, come prepared for the class. It helps me too, right? Again, if I go over, we'll be wasting class time. Meaning, I'm just saying it for your good, nothing wrong. You see, if you want to go, you want to go. It's always there. But at the same time, if you can come prepared for the class, take your eraser, take your charger, bring everything in class. So it's easy for that 1 hour. Easy. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll help you now, but next time you have to be prepared. Okay. So here, let's see. Half BH, right? So if I take the blue color height, Viraj, I'm repeating it for you. If I take the blue color height, right, the perpendicular base is this, Viraj. We can't take that because this base is not given. I don't know this, right?
Yeah.
So that combination won't work. So what I need to do, I need to take this height because the corresponding base is given 8 and 6. You see?
Yeah.
That's why the area becomes half times 8 times 6. Tanishka, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yana?
I multiplied it by 4.
Which one, ma?
I
Oh,
multiplied.
yeah. 4. Yes. Tanishka, thank you for the catch. Good job, lady.
So do
What a
you
mess I made. Yes. See, you have to multiply it by 4. 4 is this height, right? Good job, Tanishka. Proud of you. 8 times 4.
only multiply the given length?
See, which base and which height you're taking is quite important.
Okay.
You got it? Unless they give you the value of this base, you can't take this height. I gave you to confuse you. You got it?
Okay.
See, Tanishka corrected me. Basically, I was taking 6, which is wrong, right? If this is the base, this should be your height. You got it?
Wait, but isn't it still perpendicular?
Yeah, I gave you the, see, there is a square here. You see that?
Yeah, then why is 6 wrong?
6 is not wrong. I can take 6 provided I knew what is this base. I don't know, right?
Oh,
Deepak, did you understand?
okay.
If I
Yeah, yeah.
cannot use that because I don't have the base value. Now I'm going to, okay, let me give you an easy problem rather than making you feel frustrated. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. How about this? 8. I'm not giving units, guys. You can do units later, or I'll give you, what big deal. With the units, I want answers then. I want with the units. Okay. This one is 10 centimeter. So let me see. What is the area of this triangle? Quick, come on. Can do it quickly. It's easy. I'll help you with different scenarios as well. Deepak. Triangle, what is the formula, Deepak? Kabir. Triangle formula, what is that, Kabir?
Oh no, sorry, I forgot to do the last step.
And everybody is putting centimeter. Do we say centimeter for the units?
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Really? Okay.
if we don't know the measurement, we say units.
Correct. That's good. But is okay. Let's go back to our square. This is 4. This is 4 centimeter. What is the area?
Oh,
What?
it's square.
Yana, good job. Tanishka, good job. 4 centimeter. You're counting the number of squares, right?
Yeah, it was half. It was half
4
of
centimeter. You're multiplying with another 4 centimeter, not adding. If you add, it's only centimeter. So this gets multiplied. This also gets multiplied. Hey, David, where is your answer?
Wait, is it wrong though? Is my answer wrong?
Definitely wrong.
Okay.
Incorrect, maybe. That's a better word.
I get it. So yeah, it was half of base in height. So
I know.
Wait, but
David,
David,
I gave you the formula, right? Directly. Area of a triangle. You have to plug that in. That's all. What was the area of the triangle? Did you note down, David?
Oh, wait, we're supposed to do the area?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know how to do the area?
I think I do, yeah.
Okay, Rihanj, would you be able to take it up? I can help you.
So is the base 12 centimeters?
But if the base is 12 centimeter, do you have the perpendicular height?
No.
Then it's not the base. You can take anything as the base, wherever you have the height.
Okay.
So which is the base? Which is the base? Come on. Try. It's okay to go wrong. You see, there's nothing in getting it wrong. As long as we understand, it's good. Go ahead, Rihanj. You're going to work with me on this problem. Go ahead. What is area? Everybody tries. Everybody goes wrong. Nobody thinks about it in this class. Go ahead.
Area of a triangle is base times height. Divided by 2.
Good job. You have noted down. That itself is great. Next what? Which base, which height?
So I'm trying to figure out what the base is.
You tell me where you have the height, perpendicular height, that's the base. Go ahead. David. No, David. Where did you get the 96?
I got it from 8 times 12.
You can't do all that, right? What is the base? What is the height? You have to pick the base and the height, right?
Yeah.
Which is the base? Which is the height?
Wait, is my answer right now?
Rihanj, can I help you with this? Deepak, your answer is correct.
So is the base 10?
Good job. 10 times what is the height then?
10 times 8.
No, ma. See, here there is no perpendicular. If this is the base, the height is always perpendicular. That's what you need to take. You got it? So this is not your height. For you to get confused, only I gave you that. So the height is as well 10 divided by 2. 50 square centimeter. Got it?
Okay.
I'm going to make it harder. And this is 10. Okay. Now this is 8. Okay. This is 15. I'm going to confuse you with many different. This one is 6 centimeter. Now what is the area of this triangle?
Yeah, right?
Please understand the base can be outside, inside, it can be anywhere. But it has to be perpendicular to the base you choose. You again, Arihan, what is the unit, Amma?
Centimeters.
For the area?
Yes, I think they are 30 centimeters.
Centimeters square.
Yep. Centimeter square, right? Because you're multiplying 2 centimeters, Arihan. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. Hey, Kabir, you are forgetting to divide by 2. David.
Oh yeah, I keep on forgetting that. I don't know.
That happens, right? Because every time 6th graders don't divide by 2. And even in 7th grade, it's worse because 3D shapes, when they come, triangle, they do it like a rectangle. 7th grade kids. Because the division by 2, they don't remember.
Yeah, I just write. Can I just write it down a few times so I remember like to divide by 2?
Good idea. Hey, Yana, what did you do, Yana? There is a mistake, ma. I'll help you. What did you do?
I did 6 times 15 and then divided by 2.
Why 6 times 15? Which is the base? The base has to be perpendicular to the height, right? So for this 10, right? This is what is perpendicular, right? Right smack, see? 10 times 6 divided by 2, which will be 30 centimeters square. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this, guys? Okay, before that. Oh, sorry. What is this?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram, correct. Now my question is, these two can be bases, okay? Basically, this is also a rectangle, okay? This is also a rectangle, but you know what is so important is if you consider this as the base, the height has to be perpendicular to the bases. Don't take this as your height. It is all slanted. That's not your height. You got it? This is not your height. Whatever line joins the two bases perpendicularly, that is your height. Sometimes they might give you the parallelogram like this. They might give you the perpendicular distance here. They might give you the perpendicular distance here. They might show it like this. Then this becomes the base. This becomes the height. Rihanch, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. In this case, this becomes the height. This becomes the base because the perpendicular, they both are perpendicular and they have not given this height. You got it? The base and height should be perpendicular. Parallelogram area is by base times height. Got it?
Yes.
Am I making sense? How about this?
No, wait. You said parallelogram is what do you call it? Base times height, but I thought you said something else for parallelogram in the last class. You said base 1 Because there's also a base above it. So didn't you say like base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 and something else? Didn't you say that in
That's
class?
for a trapezoid.
Oh, yeah, sorry. The trapezoid.
No problem. We are going to go there. Okay. Can I move on? Can I move on, Kabir? Kabir?
No, yeah, sorry. I was just
Okay.
putting a
Oh,
thumbs up.
no problem. Okay. So let's consider this one now. Okay. This is 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. I'm just giving what is required, guys, just to speeden up the process. Let's see. How about this? This is 4 centimeter. If this is the case, what is the area of the parallelogram? I want answers from everybody. There's a parallelogram A, B, C, D. It's not going to be this easy, okay? I'm just covering the very basics today. Okay, they will give you composite figures. What are composite figures? You know what? Composite figures are where a parallelogram is attached to a triangle. Find the area of this composite figure. What is that composite figure? Because it has a parallelogram and also a triangle, so it becomes complex composite. That type of questions only you will get. You won't get these direct questions. Because 6th grade standards are for composite areas. They give importance there. Devansh, how did you get it, Devansh? Devansh?
I clicked the wrong number.
That's okay. Then I'll wait. Kabir, did you divide by 2?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is a rectangle, right? Okay, wait. Let me show you why it is this. I did not explain. Usually I explain because of I wanted speed. I didn't do. But see here, Kabir. I want you to see this one. This is a parallelogram, right? See what I'm doing. I'm cutting this off. I'm going to cut this rectangle. Cut this rectangle. Get the rectangle here. Get that rectangle, fit it in here. What happens? What happens to the entire figure? It becomes a
rectangle.
So parallelogram is the same as a rectangle formula. You got it?
Yeah.
That's why you should not divide by 2 like in a rectangle. Did you get it?
So so you said in a rectangle. So
Go ahead.
basically the part I don't get was I got all of it up until now. So formula for rectangle wasn't the formula for actually no. You know, I got it. I
Okay,
didn't
good.
yeah, I got it.
If you got it, then we'll move on. I want feedback from David, Rihansh, and Deepak. What do you guys think? Where are we? And Yana too. Yana, what do you think? Do you understand triangle parallelogram?
Yeah. If I
I'm
understand
still kind of confused on the
I understand
triangle.
parallelogram if my answer is right.
Yeah, that's right. David, where are you getting confused? Parallelogram area is just similar to a rectangle. Rectangle is base times height, right? Huh?
Cut it in half.
I'm sorry, David. Go ahead.
But when you cut the shape in half, I didn't really get that part.
Which one?
The 4 centimeter, like I don't know how to multiply that.
See, that 4 centimeter is perpendicular to what? That 4 centimeter is perpendicular to what? David, that 4 centimeter. Do you know what are perpendicular lines?
May I use the restroom?
Yeah, please, Arihan.
No.
Okay, perpendicular lines are at right angles to each other. So here, this is the height that's perpendicular to this base. So if this is 8, this is also 8. So base is 8, height is 4. So the area is 8 times 4, 32 centimeters square.
Wait, so Miss Priya, I have a question.
Go ahead.
So basically, can I just kind of like memorize it this way? That a parallelogram is the same thing as a rectangle, and then do base times height, and then as a triangle, just memorize that it's base times height divided by 2.
Absolutely. You know what? A rectangle is a special parallelogram. Do you know that? A rectangle can also be called as a parallelogram, but a parallelogram can't be called as a rectangle.
Because it has no 4 right angles. It has.
Exactly, yes. Okay, let's move on. I really want to finish this with you guys. See here, trapezoid. The problem with trapezoid is it has 2 bases. Trapezoid is the only thing that has 2 bases. You know what? It has base 1, base 2. And then what connects the bases is the height. It's the same thing, okay? Everywhere it's base times height. But here the problem is it's just like a triangle. So we do this base times height divide by 2. But the problem is there is no single base. So you know for the trapezoid what we do? We sum up both the bases. We sum up both the bases. So we sum up both the bases, multiply by height, divide by 2. Did you guys get it? For the trapezoid alone, since you have 2 bases, I'm going to give you the formula directly. I'm not explaining much. But then you're going to add the 2 bases, multiply by height, divide by 2. Can we remember like that? So if you're given something like this, what would you do? Let's see. This is 10. This is 5. This is 6. What is the area of the trapezoid? I'm going to permit the algebra 1 kids, okay? Because they're waiting. How about this? We'll continue. We'll finish and then only go. What is the area of the trapezoid? Rihansh, are you able to follow?
Yes.
Good. See, if you're able to follow from areas, I'm happy, Rihansh. Percentages you might have not followed much because you did not attend the previous 3-4 classes. It's okay. Devansh, good job. If you understood, you can log off. Yana, David, how did you get that? I told you, right? Trapezoid has 2 bases. You'll have to sum it up. Algebra 1 kids, I have not started your class. Okay, let me wrap this up. Mm. Mm. He didn't divide by 2. Oh my gosh. Okay. Kabir, again the units is a problem. Virash, good job. Kabir, good job. Tanishka, good job.
Yeah, I know. I actually put CM at the end because I was so used to all.
Answer correct.
Yes. Yana, no, Yana. How did you get 60? The base has to be added, right? For a trapezoid. I'll help you.
I changed my answer.
No, you changed your answer, ma?
Yeah, I sent another one.
Yeah, but did you
Oh.
add your bases?
Yeah.
What is it? If you add your bases, it's 15 and then?
Oh, you have to do like 15 times 6?
Yeah.
Is
Oh.
mine correct?
I did like 10 times 6 and then 5 times 6.
Rihansh, good job. Deepak. Good job, Deepak.
Okay.
David, can I get your answer? If you got it, you can log off, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, guys. If you have questions, you can stay. Arihan, did you get it? Arihan?
Is my
Wait, what was the question?
The area of the trapezoid.
What's the formula? I forgot.
Oh my goodness, you should note down, right? Okay, I'll write it again. So base alone, you will add both the bases, B1 plus B2. Then you multiply by height, divide by 2.
is my answer correct?
No, Yana, no, David. Rihansh, you can log off if you understood.
I
But
got it. 40.
Rihansh, I'll talk to your dad. Ask your dad to ping me, ma. Rihansh,
Okay.
you're good. You can log off. Tanishka, you got it right, ma. You can log off if you don't have any questions. Arihan, good job.
Bye.
Bye. Arihan was wondering, can you come on Tuesdays?
I think so.
Okay, let me think about it and call your dad, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, ma.
I forgot. I was going to ask number 37 for the homework. I was not able to understand.
Would you mind asking me next class, Amma, if it's okay with you?
Yeah.
Question number 37, then can I work it out and send it to you tonight?
Yeah.
But you know what? You have to tell me which homework was it.
Okay.
Which homework? Just send, meaning, would your mother send me details? I will send it to you in a way you understand. 37, right?
Yeah.
Just send me the name of the homework. Is that okay?
Okay.
But send it to me immediately, ma, so that before I get up from the classes, I'll send it to you.
Is my answer correct?
Yana, that's incorrect. Okay, guys, let me go over with you. David and Yana. B1 plus B2. So you add the 2, 10 and 5. That's 15. Height is what? 6. So 15 times 6 divided by 2, which is 45 square centimeter. Got it? Did you get it, Maha? Yana and David. Yana?
I got it.
Okay, you can log off. David, did you get it?
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you all? Just a minute, guys. I'll just do something. I know I did start late. I'm sorry. Wait.